What's the speciality of this day? It's World Animal Day. So let's speak about it. ഈ ചാനൽ നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് കാണുന്നെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, അടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. Today is October 4. It is celebrated as World Animal Day. World Animal Day was established in the year 1925. Earth is the home to many animals. They are man's companion. Animals help our environment. Man cuts down forests to build homes and factories, while animals lost their home. Hunters kill animals for leather, fur, and ivory. Water pollution affects the animals that live in the water. We need to protect animals because the earth is not just our home. It belongs to them as well. Thank you.